morning everyone. We are here in Water Dam, Wadi Shauka camping area. So this is the other side of the Wadi Shauka camping site. So there's still mountain. Here with my family. Ayan. We're in the camping area here in Wadi Shauka. Okay, so those are the camping site area.
Labyrinth.
Okay, see you later. There we can go guys, we are now trying to explore this area. Okay, so there's part of the dam there.
Cute. I like the sun touch.
You like the sand?
Yeah, that's
Actually it's like the rocks that
very
are, what do you call this one? The rocks are into pieces. So these are it's surrounded by mountains here.
a little bit big.
Oh, let's go there. Oh, don't do that, it's dirty.
Sorry.
Okay, we'll try to go on
Daddy,
that
that's a
side.
big one.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, careful. Okay. So this on that side is the camping area, hiking trail. That beside the mountain. Now we're here in the
There's so many rocks.
rocky area. So these are the dam before, but
That's the mountain.
no water. Okay, that's the mountain. Oh, be careful anak ha. And behind us is
The other rock.
okay,
That's...
mountains.
Daddy, why the rock is this side, that side? Like
Because they're arranged that one. Yeah.
Oh. There's some big rock.
So this to that our side is the camping area.
Ah!
Okay. Let's try going up. So that's the view. Let's try going up there. Okay. Yan yung view natin. Okay. That's the view. Let's try to go up. Okay. See you later guys. Tingnan natin sa tayo aabot. Okay. Okay, guys, this is the top view of the Wadi Shauka camping area and the hiking trail or biking trail also. There you go. We're just half of the mountain, so it's basically there, so we don't have any equipment to go up here. That's the safest place on top of this mountain. So there's the road. Then that's the peak at the summit of this mountain. Okay, we'll go down now.